Fate Strange Fate.
Yeah, make it easy for us to understand, please.
I don't know how to do that. So our Fate universe is so complicated. It's
But
a
is this an
multiverse.
is this an alternate universe of the universe?
Sebab almost semua cerita Fate, kalau ada Fate kat depan dia, part of the Nasuverse dia panggil, most of them takes place in an alternate universe, their own universe.
Yeah.
Kecuali yang ada kaitan yang macam continuous is Fate Zero, Fate Stay Night.
I see.
And Fate Strange Fate ni dia different sikit sebab dia continue juga actually daripada Fate Zero. So dia ada like some threads yang dia ambil daripada Fate Zero bawa masuk dalam cerita ni. So technically kalau dia for people yang tengok Fate Zero lah, tapi kalau aku nak explain cerita ni pasal apa pun, basically Fate franchise ni premise dia every Fate show tu dia ada satu Holy Grail War kan. Dalam dunia ni ada magic, ada mages, people yang guna magic kan. And dia orang ada Holy Grail War ni, dia orang akan summon servants, heroic spirit. Maknanya the spirit daripada historical figure ataupun daripada legend macam King Arthur, macam Alexander the Great, Napoleon ke, macam-macam lah.
Yeah.
So Fate Strange Fate ni basically yang ni set in the US. Sebab sebelum ni banyak set in Japan. This one set in the US and karakter dia pun semua banyak baru. And basically kita tengok cerita dia unfold macam tu, macam mana Holy Grail War this time dekat US ni with all these new characters. Ada banyak all these new servants apa semua. Tapi this one memang banyak Fate fans dah tunggu lama dah. Sebab dulu first episode dia actually keluar tahun 2023.
Is this what they're doing to Jojo? Dah tunjuk first episode sekarang, the second episode. Well, at least they said it's going to be October as opposed to. Ni berapa tahun baru keluar?
I think 2 tahun ke kot. Like dia keluar like bukanlah first episode, macam episode macam zero, you know, macam
Yes.
before the season kan. Tapi masalah dia episode tu keluar and then like 2 years later baru nak start the actual series. So macam dah lama tunggu lah for this one. Tapi puas hati lah. Dia punya animation memang cantik, memang lawa gila. I think out of all the Fate, I think this
kategori kata 3 tahun between that first episode. 3 years.
Betul lah. Betul lah, this year is 2026. Wait, the start betul lah, 3 years, sorry. Tapi memang lama lah. Tapi puas hati lah. I think animation ni memang cantik gila. It looks almost macam dia orang pakai rotoscope, tapi I'm not sure dia orang pakai rotoscope ke tak. Some scenes so nampak animation dia smooth, and I think some of the best animation I've seen this season and even last season. Cuma banyak Fate fans kata dia orang macam rushing sikit. Ada banyak benda dia orang tak adapt from the light novel.
Yeah, this is like how many episodes? 12 is it?
13.
And is it just one light novel?
I'm not sure about that. I think ada banyak. I think light
because
novel
it's the thing. The
quite panjang.
adaptation. I see. Because is the story finished or are we expecting another one?
You mean the anime? We're expecting another one. They dah confirm season 2 season 2 is coming. Season 2. Tapi I hope it's not like 3-5 years ke apa benda.
We just a quick look at the cast. Gilgamesh, which is one of the servants kan? Servant or god? This one.
Dia servant, one of the heroic spirit. Dia special case sebab dia servant tapi dia act macam dia tu master. Sebab dalam Fate franchise ni dia ada master and servant. Master is the mage and master ni summon the servant. And the servant is anyone from history. Tapi selalu siapa yang summon Gilgamesh yang like jadi boss. Like dia he's the one that aku boss kau even though kau master, kau kena dengar cakap aku. Sebab he's that powerful lah.
The score is quite good for it. It's a 8.4, 8.39. Yeah. And voice actress dia ada Hanakana, ada as usual. Ada lagi All for One, Ozuka Akio as Rider. And lagu opening dia is by Sawano Hiroyuki, which is a well-known anime composer, which is getting nomination for Solo Leveling, unfortunately, for season 2 for the Crunchyroll Award. Tapi aku suka lagu dia yang nama Provon tu, yang sung by John Ken Johnny dengan Takuma. John Ken is a guitarist slash vocalist for Man with a Mission. And dia dengan Takuma memang pernah nyanyi Database. Oh. So itulah Fate. Let's hope we won't have to wait for 3 years for the next installment.
Tak lama sangat, but I have no idea. Sebab it could take, sebab Fate ni memang infamous. Even not just anime dia punya game pun
kati dia lah.
Dia macam always lambat. I don't know why.
Ada